So
Wow.
anyway.
Yeah.
I guess we don't have that much to complain about, do we?
No, I mean,
No, but it's a mess because the storm's hitting there. Air traffic controllers aren't working.
Yeah.
Flights are getting delayed. So like weather
It has been a
on a
nightmare
normal day
flying.
is a nightmare. And now who even? Good luck.
the snow, most of it has been lake effect snow. The lakes are still wide open right now and relatively warm. This air mass is abnormally cold. You know, we're talking 40s for us. For them, it was a little colder, and that's plummeting all the way down to the panhandle of Florida, where they have some frost advisories up. So it's a little premature. It's about a month premature, I'd say. Rain, which we received over the last 24 hours, we needed. We got some, over an inch in Freiburg and 3/4 of an inch in Portland. Elsewhere is around a half an inch. Ground's still not frozen, but by the end of this week, it might be in some places. A couple of sprinkles in down east Maine still, and the temperature in Calais is 48. That's easily the warmest in the state, but this will be erased real soon. That cold is cutting across our state and is going to push the warm stuff over to the Maritimes very soon. It's also blustery out there, and right now wind chills are in the 20s and low 30s. That's why I say dress as if it's mid-December, not mid-November. Get the winter coat, and you might even need hats and gloves for the kids if they're heading out to do something in the yard, play around the neighborhood, that kind of thing. Obviously, they have the day off with Veterans Day. There's the low heading north into Canada. There's this dotted line back here, which is a trough of low pressure, which will likely induce a few snow showers, especially over the mountains, and maybe a flurry down to the coastline late this afternoon and tonight. A little bit of sun will be seen early on, but clouds win out fast. It's mostly cloudy by the middle of the day. That wind is still blowing in from the west, so cold wind chills out there. And our temperatures are barely going to rise. Like, we might only get 5 more degrees from where we are right now, and then they'll chill off in the evening as the sun is going down. Our feels-like temperatures this afternoon will mostly be in the upper 20s, and I can't rule out a snow shower or a flurry, especially between 9 and midnight from Bangor to the Canadian border. You might wake up tomorrow morning and see a little coating of snow on the windshield that you may have to brush off for the first time this season. High temperatures, they're occurring now pretty much, especially in down east areas, but in the middle of the afternoon, take 10 degrees off that temp in Calais, it's going to be 39, and it'll be 38 in Lewiston and 40 in Portland, and with wind, it'll feel more like those 20s. Tomorrow's slightly better, just a little more sunshine, a little less wind, no snow showers, it doesn't look like. Thursday, we could see additional snow showers or rain showers with another trough hanging back over Maine and New Hampshire. Friday, not bad, partly sunny. Saturday, same thing, mix of sun and clouds. But with winds out of the north, it's going to stay on the cold side here. And we'll have to keep an eye on Sunday, Sunday night, Monday time frame. That would be our next larger system, and that might be a wintry mix with the cold air that's around. Later on this afternoon and tonight, and then again on Thursday, there are 2 chances for some snow showers. These snow showers in the mountains, yes, we'll get inches of snow out of it. Looks like 3, maybe 4 inches of snow. Down east Maine tonight and again on Thursday could actually see some coatings or a scattered inch in spots. So that's just the time of the year. We got to start talking about some snow. Gale warning sees 6 to 8, west winds 20 to 30. As we look at the 7-day forecast, you're going to see a lot of cold on here. Temperatures not much better than 40 between now and the end of the weekend. There'll be a few flurries this afternoon, partly sunny tomorrow, rain or snow showers on Thursday, 2 dry ones Friday and Saturday. And then on Sunday, that could be that larger system capable of a wintry mix. And we'll keep an eye on that as we close in on the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Trying to find a 5. Couldn't even find a 5.
There might be a 45.
It was all 4, yeah. No, that wasn't the number.
Not that
I
you
was
wanted
looking
it
for
in
the
the
first
first
number,
one,
not
right?
the second one.